you say, man, you want quality, you got to pay for that.
I may have went a little bit overboard this time. Let's get it. What's up, guys? It's your boy Catloco, and I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas. Merry Christmas to all my subs. So you knew I was gonna bring a tool haul today. I mean, it's Christmas, why not? So I don't know about you, but me, myself, personally, I like gift cards for Christmas. You know, I can put it towards stuff I really want, stuff I'm saving up to get, like tools, car parts, clothing. That was actually the cool thing. A lot of my family members actually bought a lot of my hoodies, and they actually gave them up for presents, so that was pretty cool. I'm very thankful to that. If you are interested in a hoodie, I got a link down in the description. So I post a lot of updates on Instagram, and I've been giving out little teaser pics of the haul coming up. And today's today, like always, and show you what I got. First item up, we got a 50-piece impact drill and driver set. This is item number 48324024. So I like this set for many reasons. You get a good variety of bits in the set. In this set, you get a magnetic bit holder. You get 2 magnetic nut drivers. You have the 3/8 bit also on the set. And this set especially, you get basically a variety of bits. I was mainly wanting the 2-inch bits. In this set here, you get 13 2-inch bits, along with your normal slotted flathead, your Phillips, your Torx, your square bits, and just an all-round kit. So I picked up the 50-piece. I also picked up the 104-piece set. Now, this set has more of the 1-inch bits. You get pretty much the same bits as the 50-piece, but you don't get all the drill driver bits. You still get the 3/8 bit adapter, the magnetic bit holder. You get the 2 same magnetic nut drivers, and even though this is a larger set, you only get 6 of the 2-inch bits. So that's why I kind of went with the 50, and I also got the 104-piece. Now there is also the 142-piece set like this, but I bought that early this year, so I have the 142-piece set, this 104, and then the 50-piece, mainly because I'm not going to be using them all in the same area. Some of them I'll put in my tool bag, some I'll put in my toolbox. Maybe one in the car, maybe one in the house. Just depends. So this one is model 48324706. And like I said, you don't get like the drill bits you get with this set. You get 4 in this set. You don't get anything in the bigger set. You only get about 6 of the 2-inch bits. Actually, you get about 8. You get 8 of the 2-inch bits, and I believe in this one you get 13 of them in this one here. The next item I got was, since I got the 4 drill bits and the smaller 50-piece set, I also bought the 23-piece titanium drill bit set. This is a real nice set. I bought the 50-piece set for about, I think it was like $15. The 104-piece set was $20. This is also $20. It's a nice set. It's supposed to last 3 times as long as a normal drill bit set. This is item number 48894631. And then all of these sets come with the hard red plastic case. I'll go ahead and open it up for you. So once you open it up, you have your large drill bit. This is a 1/2 inch. And I believe there's a spot right here for it. There you go. But these are really handy to carry around. throw in a backpack or a toolbox or your tool bag. Nice hard case, plastic. Definitely a buy, in my opinion. So the main reason I bought these drill sets and bit sets, I use a lot on interiors, car audio. When I do some console work, I'll need some bits and screws for this. Maybe some screw holes in sheet metal. This is mainly why I got my drill bits. But as always, I normally start with the smaller items, then I ramp up to the really, really good stuff. So the next item I picked up was some Sawzall blades. And these are the Milwaukee torch blades. This is a 13-piece, model number 4922113. So I bought this for, I think this is $20, and then online you got a bonus construction blade, 9-inch blade with it for 20 bucks. So it also comes with this like carrying case with it. I believe that'll fit. Yeah, it'll fit. So I got 14 blades for $20. These are the new Milwaukee torch blades. They're supposed to be, you know, stronger, if not as good as the Diablo blades. That's what I normally go with. But not a bad set. Yet again, when I do a lot of console work, interior, anything to do with MDF, when I'm in the junkyard cutting out roofs, these are the blades I'll be using. And I didn't give you the model number of the 9-inch blade. This is 48005226. Next item I picked up, I went and picked up those Fastback blades, or utility blades. This is model number 48221901J. And these kind of busted out package. You get 25 blades. Actually, you get 50 blades with this one. You get 50 blades with it. And then you get your 2 utility knives. This would probably be the one that most people use, the smaller one to put in your pocket. This one's a little larger. The whole point of these Fastback blades is the idea of you actually only have one hand to work with. You're holding something else and you need a blade. So you just press a little black button on here and flip it up. Cut what you want and then like flip it back in. Fold it in. Smaller one, same thing. Hold the button. Do it like that. It's pretty neat. Very handy. I bought my brother-in-law the same kit and he loved it. Like, he uses a utility knife for everything. I mean, everything. I mean, opening beer bottles, prying things open, you name it. He uses these things for everything. So this was a gift from me to him. He loved it. Next item up, I got me some strippers. So this is model 48223079. This is the Milwaukee 6-in-1 8 to 20 gauge wire stripper. Now I have a lot of wire strippers. I have one that I really love, but it's Milwaukee, I had to try. So with this, I want to say I paid like $24, $20 to $24 for these. They look like really nice quality. Feel really good in the hand. Has that same like, I don't know, it's like a hard plastic, hard rubber. But I'm definitely going to be using these. So why they call it a 6-in-1, basically that's what it is. You have your reamer on the sides. You have your wire cutter. You have your wire strippers for the various gauges. Number 6 and number 8 bolt cutters, these little 2 holes here. Then over here you have what they call like a loop maker for like when you're doing electrical wires. So I mean, that's it. That's the 5 pieces, and then of course you have your regular pliers portion here. So that's why you have a 6-in-1. Nice little lock. It really feels like quality. I think I'm gonna like it. Like I said, I do have another pair of wire strippers that I loved, but this is Milwaukee. I had to get it. So the next item I picked up, we're starting to get to the good stuff now.